आता खबरो विस्तारान शेनवारा गोय वैजकी महाविद्यालयान 2 तरणाट्या दुयेंतींचेर किडनी प्रत्यारोपण शस्त्रक्रिया केल्ली ती यशस्वी जाली. डॉ मधुसूदन प्रभुदेसाय आनी डॉ JP तिवारी हांच्या पंगडान ही शस्त्रक्रिया केली. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Madhumohan R. Prabhudesai, Professor and Head of the Department of Virology. Today at Goa Medical College, Department of Virology along with Department of Nephrology and Department of Anesthesiology conducted our first transplant of this year. Total we have done successfully around 20 live kidney transplant operations at Goa Medical College. This transplant kidney was donated by a wife to a husband. Both the patients are doing very well. Now, since the Goa Medical College has formed the SOTO, now such type of transplants is a great boost to our program. All the other 20 patients which underwent renal transplants at Goa Medical College are doing well. We hope to continue our deceased donor transplant from this year onwards, as Goa Medical College has a SOTO in place and also HLA lab in place. With the initiative of Honorable Health Minister Shri Vishwajit Raneji's effort, we had started our kidney transplant way back in 2011 at Goa Medical College. Because of his great support for this transplant program, Goa Medical College has conducted successful 20 kidney transplants till now. He was also instrumental in pushing the deceased donor transplant program at Goa Medical College. He was also instrumental in getting Goa Medical College as a SOTO. Also, he has helped us in conducting one international TPM program in collaboration with the Spain. So with the sir's effort and support, we are quite confident that in Goa Medical College we will be able to carry out this deceased donor transplant program forward.